Hello guys, this is Abhi Fatayachi. Welcome you once again in my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu 21.04. So without wasting any time, let's get into the topic. After booting Ubuntu through any kind of bootable media, this screen will be prompt. Select language and click on Try Ubuntu rather than click on Install Ubuntu because we need to configure network manually. It is very fruitful where DCP connection not available. Watch my steps. For given manual IP, you need to select manual option from IPv4 section. And set IP addresses. I am using a class C IP addresses 192.168.220.70, and the section of networks I am putting the CIDR number, or you can put here 255.255.255.0. Gateway and DNS must be typed as per your network. Click on Apply. For activating your network configuration, you must switch off and on this toggle button one time in WAD section. Now open your terminal and ping Google. This is one of the default DNS 8.8.8.8 of Google. And then check the connectivity with your own DNS. In this case, both are working perfectly fine. Exit from the terminal. Now we can click on Install Ubuntu. Select language and click on Continue. Now select your keyboard layout. Continue. Select the checkbox beside normal installation and then select both checkboxes on other option area. Click on Continue. For fresh and easy installation, I select here Erase Disks and Install Ubuntu. Click on Continue. Select your location and click on Continue. Type here your details with password. I select the checkbox beside the Use Active Directory because in next video I will connect the Microsoft domain from Linux system. If you don't want that, then leave it or uncheck it and click on Continue. In the section of Configure Active Directory, you type your domain name. My domain name is ocm.com and then type your domain administrator name and password. Test your connection. It's working. Now click on Continue. Our Ubuntu installation has been starting. After finishing installation, click on Restart Now. Remove your installation media such as pen drive or disk drive and then press enter. Our login screen has been prompt. Type your password and login. As you see, our installation has been completed successfully. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested, don't forget to watch the next part on how to join Windows domain from Ubuntu in a very easy way. Thank you.